Here are 4 things to try that may help boost your concentration in meditation. Peppermints have added benefits beyond their enjoyable taste. The smell and flavor can help aid with concentration. Getting adequate sleep. Those who lack sleep may experience a wired feeling where their thoughts are too fast or too slow, which makes it difficult to concentrate. Choosing a healthy diet rich in antioxidants and other nutrients can help you power through your day better than the average diet. Music helps boost energy, especially energetic songs. Music actively engages the areas of the brain that call us to pay attention and remember. BioScan can help people to better focus and relax during meditation. Detailed information about their body can help them understand their health and mental well-being. Visit our website at www.ihtbio.com to learn more.